If you're thinking about buying the BLACK DECKER BCD6W compact countertop dishwasher, hold on a second, because today I'm diving deep into what this little machine can and can't do. But here's what surprised me. It claims to be the perfect solution for small kitchens, apartments, and anyone tired of hand washing. Yet after testing, I found some unexpected issues you need to know before spending your hard-earned money. Contrary to popular belief, this isn't your average compact dishwasher. It has quirks that might make you think twice. Stick around because by the end, you'll know exactly if it's worth cluttering your counter or just another kitchen gadget collecting dust. First off, who is this dishwasher really for? If you live alone or in a small apartment with limited space and don't have the luxury of a built-in dishwasher, this BLACK DECKER compact model promises convenience without plumbing headaches. It's designed to fit up to 6 place settings, so it can handle a few plates, bowls, glasses, and utensils in one go. The idea is fantastic, small, portable, and powerful enough to save you from those scrubbing marathons. But here's a twist. Does it really deliver on that promise, or is this just another flashy appliance that looks good on paper? The first thing to appreciate is its size and design. Measuring roughly 21.5 by 21.7 by 17.2 inches and weighing about 46 pounds, it's compact enough for countertop use with an easy grip handle for moving it around. Plus, the stainless steel interior is a huge plus. Dishwashers that stop grime and odors tend to have stainless steel tubs, so that checks out. You're also getting 7 wash cycles ranging from normal to intensive, eco, glass-friendly, quick 90 minutes, rapid, and soak. It's like having a mini dishwashing command center right in your kitchen. It even has an LED display with electronic touch controls. You can delay the start time, see the remaining cycle, and engage a child lock for safety. If you have kids or pets around, that little safety feature is a nice touch. So far, so good. The convenience of its quick connect hose, which hooks right up to your faucet without needing professional plumbing, is a giant plus, making it apparently user-friendly and portable. But and this is important, there's a catch here. Some users found the quick connect system a bit of a hassle. It doesn't always fit all faucet types perfectly, leading to leaks or the hose popping off mid-cycle. You don't want your kitchen flooded while you're watching the next episode of your favorite show. Imagine the irony, a dishwasher making more mess than your dirty plates. Now, you might be wondering about the actual cleaning power. This BLACK DECKER dishwasher boasts stainless steel drums to give you immaculately clean dishes every time. But reviews are split on this. While most users confirm it handles standard washing well, tougher stains sometimes survive the cycle, especially with the rapid or eco modes. And for super greasy pans or burnt-on food bits, you probably still need to pre-rinse or even hand wash first. Remember, no dishwasher magic can fix everything, unless, of course, it's the one that can clean your thoughts about buying this product. Here's another interesting point. The capacity, while suitable for 6 place settings, requires careful loading. Unlike full-size dishwashers, you must arrange dishes in a way that ensures proper water flow and coverage. Otherwise, some items come out drier than your in-laws' sense of humor. Cups, wine glasses, and small utensils need to be secured tightly or risk flying around in the drum like they're auditioning for a futuristic kitchen Olympics. So, patience with the loading process is definitely required. Did I mention noise? The BCD6W runs at a noise level that's average for compact dishwashers, but could be distracting if you're working from home or have a baby napping nearby. It's not whisper quiet, but it's far from sounding like a jet engine taking off. For some, that's just part of the package when you want quick and convenient cleaning. If you want silent meditation, stick to hand washing. It's also great for stress relief. Just kidding. Now, let's talk the price and value proposition. The BLACK DECKER BCD6W sits at a mid-range price point. At about 4.2 stars on Amazon, it's moderately liked, but real-life use shows some mixed feelings. You're paying a premium for portability and convenience, so if you hate plumbing hassles and need something functional fast, it's a solid choice. But if you expect dishwasher-level perfection or are on a tight budget, you might find better alternatives or even reconsider a traditional countertop drying rack instead. This leads us to a key question. Does the BLACK DECKER BCD6W compact countertop dishwasher save you time and effort? For small households, yes, it definitely eases the chore of washing dishes by hand. But you have to keep in mind the regular maintenance this unit demands. Filters need cleaning. The unit has to be wiped down frequently to prevent odor buildup, and you need to be ready to fiddle with the quick connect hose occasionally. It's not completely set and forget. But then again, no appliance is. Think of it like a pet. You love it, but you also have to take care of it. And yes, we all want a dishwasher that fits in our lives seamlessly. Luckily, the BCD6W's design helps there. It fits comfortably on most countertops, and because it's portable, you can tuck it away in a cupboard or pantry when not in use. That's a huge win for those with tight kitchen spaces. Just remember to leave it somewhere near a faucet for quick connection, because moving it frequently isn't as simple as picking up a toaster. Let's lighten the mood with a couple of kitchen jokes, because who said dishwashers can't be fun? Why did the dish go to therapy? Because it felt washed up. And here's one for the gadget lovers. Why don't dishwashers ever get mad? Because they just let things slide. Okay, back to our thorough review. One often overlooked feature of this machine is the child lock. If you have little ones in the house, this feature can prevent accidental restarts or openings during the wash cycle, a thoughtful safety addition. Plus, the LED screen offers a user-friendly experience, so you're not fumbling around with confusing buttons. The touch controls are responsive and make selecting your preferred wash cycle easier than ever. Now, it's important to highlight some customer concerns. Some reviewers reported that the door latch mechanism isn't as sturdy as expected. Over time, it might need extra care to keep it sealed properly. A loose door could impact cleaning performance or cause leaks, which is frustrating when you're trying to keep your kitchen dry and tidy. Also, a few users noted that the drying performance isn't always consistent. Sometimes dishes come out damp, especially plastics and cups. So don't toss out your drying rack just yet. In terms of environmental impact, this dishwasher offers an eco-cycle, which uses less water and energy, great for those conscious about their utility bills and the planet. Running the eco or rapid cycle can cut down your kitchen's footprint compared to continual hand washing under running water. So, if sustainability is on your checklist, that's a neat feature. To sum it all up, the BLACK DECKER BCD6W compact countertop dishwasher is a powerful little kitchen helper with a few caveats. It's perfect for small households, renters, or anyone who wants an easy-to-install dishwashing solution without permanent plumbing. But installation quirks, occasional cleaning misses, and a learning curve for loading mean it's not flawless. However, if you value portability, multiple wash cycles, and safety features like a child lock, this device could be exactly what your kitchen needs. If you're ready to save time, water, and effort without a full kitchen remodel, this dishwasher is likely your friend. Remember, it's about managing expectations. It's not a beast on grease or mega loads, but it's an efficient helper for everyday dishes. As a bonus, it has an attractive stainless steel interior and an intuitive LED display that makes it feel like a mini high-tech appliance. Before you make your move, keep in mind the potential faucet compatibility issue. You might want to check your kitchen sink's faucet type or invest in an adapter to prevent any surprises. Also, understand that some pre-rinsing might still be necessary if you want spotless dishes straight out of the cycle. So, what's the final verdict? If you want to cut back on dishwashing time and hate the idea of major installation headaches, then the Black DECKER BCD6W portable dishwasher is a great choice with a few practical limitations you should be aware of. It's perfect for college students, apartment dwellers, and anyone embracing minimalist living without sacrificing cleanliness. To sweeten the deal, I've dropped the best price link for this compact dishwasher in the description below. Go check it out before the deal disappears faster than your clean dishes after dinner. Don't just take my word for it. See the latest reviews, compare prices, and decide if it fits your lifestyle. Thanks for sticking with me through this honest review. Remember, a cleaner kitchen is just a button away. Not magic, just smart convenience. And hey, if your dishes start chatting, it's probably this dishwasher working overtime. Don't worry, they're just happy to be clean. Happy washing.